In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Authenticator in Xero. We'll walk through how to switch your multi-factor authentication method so you can keep your account secure while using the option that works best for you. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to your Xero account and that you have your phone nearby. If you plan to use the Xero Verify app, it helps to download or update it on your device in advance. Once you're signed in and on your Xero dashboard, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the circle with your initials. That opens your profile menu. If you don't immediately see it, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so the top bar is visible. From that menu, click Account. This takes you to your Xero account settings where your security options live. Give the page a moment to load, then look for the section labeled Multi-Factor Authentication. Here, click Setup. Even if you already had MFA turned on, this option is what you use when you want to change or replace your authenticator. Next, you'll arrive at the MFA setup screen. You'll see two choices: use Xero Verify or use my own app. Xero Verify is Xero's official authenticator and supports quick push notifications and codes, which many people find faster. The Use My Own App option works with standard code generators like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. Both are secure. The right choice depends on whether you prefer push approvals or a third-party app you already trust. For this walkthrough, select Use Xero Verify. Click that option to continue. From here, Xero will guide you on screen to complete the pairing process on your phone. Keep your device unlocked and follow the prompts carefully. If you're asked to confirm a code or approve a notification, make sure your phone's time and date are set to automatic so codes stay in sync. A few tips as you proceed. Consider adding a backup method such as another authenticator or a secondary device so you're not locked out if you lose your phone. If Xero offers recovery or backup codes, store them in a secure password manager. And if something doesn't appear as shown, refresh the page or sign out and back in to reset the session. That's it. You clicked your initials, opened account, chose multi-factor authentication, and started setup. After selecting Use Xero Verify, just follow the prompts to finish. If you prefer a third-party app instead, repeat the process but choose the Use My Own App option. Thanks for watching and stay secure with your updated authenticator in Xero.